Them for school for that side, so where they call them say farm lab for Banjul. They dis also suffer palava class for Shidon for Len. Now the big problem this afternoon we go take una we discover that school we don't come up from one house go for another side where they no get place for Shidon in the permanent. So for inside Torim we go talk palava waiting. Big man for gendarme where they don't want all gendarme people them. Say if the strong heads or them they go take casting home. Big man it be the talk as well gendarme people they be the talk for you to say happy new year and for see waiting where they don't do them for 2017 where it get for waka fine for 2018. So for inside Tori we go talk chapter for Wakam for divisional officer for Kumba 3 where they call it say Jude Iwanembong it on for that side for Mabandam. He talk na say wetin make people they stay for one be like one made no palava e no happen mami papa them may they send pikin them for school. Tori wey newspaper dem say they get on today we go try for talk on this afternoon. Big part talk e dey try for tell we say waiting na only mami and papa wey e no get e no sabi yes only mami or papa wey e no sabi say waka stick wey e dey jealousy waiting e pikin na only mami or papa wey e no sabi e waka stick e dey jealousy e pikin dem. Mami or papa wey e no get waka stick na e dey jealousy e pikin dem. Country people dem big part talk e common for that side. For Bonaberi, notable Tanda Njitefe, na isen with big part talk for this afternoon. I return back some more time. Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Glad plenty for meet up una for Equinox Story House. Number 2 time with the meet up for today. Tori go begin for that side so for West region for Cameroon. We take una enter for some government primary school for that side. So for Famla, yes, now the school that school in no sabi place for Shidon, place where they don't keep the nurse made the Shidon. Teacher them, please madam and please say they cry. Now the first place where they put that school. Now for here the school you don't work and enter for seekers say they no get place for Shidon. But inside the school says escape please madam they see fine for teach picking them. Lights you know the enter for inside class where picking the lane. So for inside that school, other small thing they do. Toilets you know they picking themselves sometimes they know they can't school. All that one then so na problem the way they so this government primary school where it dey for that side so for Famla for Banjul side it is suffer just for sabi say this school as we don't talk e no get permanent place for Shidon e be don't fair be for that side so for chief a house after they come out and put another for the old house now only turn where people they teach for inside the school they struggle for see as well they go put book for inside this picking their head. Headmaster says now on the see and so he to office you know them or man it is struggle for manage for the new place. Now chief that way he held them for put them for inside the house. Chief says he talk say they don't decry say school no them where no day with this small picking that will so continue for learn book. As in a government school but you no get no permanent place where they go talk say na classes. First now for under some mud house. After now they put them for some old house house where even light you know they enter. Now the first school that they come up for they can't enter now for year so they picking the year back they picking for that government primary school for Famla they the year back you know the year Famla so na facing na that one way they carry people they hate color and go put inside the one na Kati name for that side so for Banjul. We take una go for Yawende. We talk palava gendarme now so we big man for gendarme Jean-Marie Jean SFM where they call it say Oga Bokam e be there with gendarme people them for that side so for state defense secretariat when they ever call an asset. First thing where they start look now inside this chapter for Northwest and Southwest sabi say they don't send plenty gendarme for inside it for 2017. even so now, even Boko Haram, e dey na side wey dey send gendarme them. They try for look auditing them for see wetin wey gendarme people they don't do and wetin wey left for gendarme people they forget for do. Palava say for look all we road, the services on gendarme people they dem where they send them for road for say make they make this prevent for roads. Now all the kind of thing them wey Oga Jean-Baptiste Boka sef when a big man for gendarme he take look am, but sabi say inside all the palava he don't talk for gendarme people them. Say any man wey he no respect commandeer wey they give for inside gendarme make he sabi say they go give kasingo. Gendarme woman say wey be do fine, they give small congratulate. Then after Oga Jean-Baptiste tonton for see the new thing the way they don't buy am for gendarme people them wey they get for use am. So he don't talk for gendarme people them hoha. He say any gendarme man wey tron hate. You see that machine no? It look far away. That machine so the one say they look far away. So you don't want them. All them they say any man wey tron hate. Any man wey eat tron hate. They go put it for inside pot soup. They turn am so they go understand. So now the new cargo then that way they don't buy for gendarme people then for country here. The Okada and even that machine when it turn up so it see far away. That machine so it look far away. If way they say for being if you look inside your future self, that machine it turn up so if you look inside your future, tell you tomorrow you'll be a thief man. Tomorrow you'll be a gendarme man or you'll be policeman. You understand? So gendarme people there, make una hear, una big man don't talk. Inside Yawende 2 we talk chapter for bilingualism as we minister for Palava for college book. He don't do official launch for Palava for bilingualism day. It happened for that side for government bilingual high school. It Tugebe for Yawende. Sabi say inside this chapter, it be then a chapter for taste a school picking them whether they sabi for talk English and French, and even minister Sesep he be talk his own English and French as well. He be the blow tori for picking them for that side for big day for bilingualism. Sabi say this one now for takes title for talk say Palava for Norwest and Southwest. Now so inside this chapter so they talk say make picking the Sabi for talk the two country talk them way Cameroon he don't put them. Sabi say for that side for government bilingual high school for Itugebe. Correct example for sure say Cameroon na one and no man in no get for divide country. So all can announce so all school them na time for them for glad bilingualism day. Sabi say all the one it come before 11 February say it take come. So the time now for you for the talk bonjour. If you be the first talk na command now so talk say how. If you be the talk na how talk say command voila. Now so they talk say bilingualism na thing that way get for being also for country. So Ogaja Ines Gale Bebe he don't already ring the first bell for say make bilingualism chapter he open. But Sabi say na only time where we get in Gando na data with the see minister them where they come out they go talk say make una be bilingual. After that one all man forget say country self even being a bilingual. Yes, after all man they forget say country they bilingual. Only one day where they take talk say na bilingual. After that day nothing no they happen. We take una go for that side for Meme division Mabanda. Yes, Mamati thy own town seseb na for that side so the land. Palava for roads inode Mabanda. Palava roads inode dirty too for inside the town. Now all the kind of thing they so where Oga D.O. where they call it say Jute Ewanembong a tonton for inside Mabanda. Sabi say Mabanda e for na for under Kumba 3 subdivision. So Jute Ewanembong he take this Iwaka for talk for mommy and papa them, uncle auntie them, picking them. Say time for school it must be. Say make they go back for school, make they go learn. For Sika say if they no go school, make they sabi say future you know they at all. So for inside Waka, he try for preach for all man. Say chapter for say all man na one for country. Make no man in no try. So Oga D.O. he takes time so he gives cement for school the way they so they be don't born them. Say make they try for passion hold them so that they fit do. So it been a big gando as well Mabanda people them they dance with the D.O. Jute Ewanembong for inside Sabiya people them where you did look at them for inside that side. So for Kumba 3 subdivision as so take talk he talks he make peace day and people then where they don't keep their picking them for house may they send them back for school. Then he talks he make all man he sabi say Mabanda he get for clean. He say from number 1 day for number 3 moon e go start waka backdoor to backdoor for say make all place for Mabanda e clean. So na talk that way Oga DO for inside Kumba 3 Jude Ewanembong. E talk for people dem. Make we hear SSF, e use him up, e blow a fire.
The appointment of the divisional officer, I make una know say work for the divisional officer, that work for field, that work for take government policy, government action for central administration, for executor, dynamize and for field. Make sure say this all government projects, all government action for field make to be well executed. And the function with a triptych, when a message of peace for Kumba 3, there's a problem for us say so, living together. We must learn from Cameroon instead of Kumba 3 way, and exercise my functions. We must live and love each other, we live together. Number 2, the hygiene and sanitation. The no citizen continue so no fight. The never call la vie start. So they are the best people say so. Together, we will make Kumba 3 subdivision a healthy environment we all enjoy and live like modern people. Number 3, the education. I don't tell you that I so when we go to school, which I did today. So now they call on Mama Bada, Papa them, and Mama for Kumba 3. This part the odds where they come to the place up, and they say no hazard way, no problem. They went for them there, we must know top, make everybody send the picking for school. But make we begin they become competitive. So make every begin people school. The safest place for people to be now.
Jude Ewanembong, chef there, DO for that side, so for Kumba 3 where the finish worker for inside Mabanda when a places up where it the tonton for Sabi people there with the day under a place for that side, so for Mabanda. Now so we go enter back for this chapter for insecurity for inside we market them. We go take now turn back for side for Cité de Palmier. We the talk now say waiting Dr. Fritz Ntonem na even governor delegate for inside Walaye. Now for you we although it the enter way the come for market. For Sika that one they remind you say people them for that side, so for Cité de Palmier, Bine people them they cry, they beg you say make you can enter for inside the Palavam. For Sika say they don't tire for Palava, say they make their binet. Now different people them they can thief for inside their binet place. As well to take talk 2 days for night, a day when at 12 store them till people they enter for inside, so for that side for Cité de Palmier market, broke inside 12 store them, carry people that in them, money them too, carry out in. Thing where the vex people them plenty in. Now for Sika say waiting, they try for talk say fence, a day for inside that place, they know the fence, no man know the jump and they know the broke arm. Even gate, they know the broken, but all night when they come, they see and say they door them, they don't open, be near place them, thief in them for inside, gate man a day, or wash people they day for inside that market. So they beg governor delegate, make it try for can help them for inside this chapter for thief. As I say no now let's Cité de Palmier market, it is suffer the kind of thing. Even Mabanda market for Bonaberi, we sabi say thief, it happen plenty for them and other place them. Now so make we enter for the different side, we just try for talk and continue for talk for people them for inside this chapter. Palava for wash night for inside the market. Nadine will enter for Palava washman for inside the market. Where they try for talk say normal, when person the lookout place, no be na say you left the person empty hand and you no go take person where you don't hold. Where he get for being na your papa for you for put and say make it do washman. For Sika say your own work now for the sell waiting ticket. Make people they enter commode then after they can give you money. So people then for inside market for that side for Cité de Palmier, they talk to say they no get people there they feel look out than that market fine. Even as well they pay money all moon. So one they pay now for year, they pay 600 for 1 moon for say make people they look out their thing them for inside the market. So they no understand why they go carry now one per way if even man Nadine for year go take serious and so he blow up pa go fall for that. Yes, pa go fall for that. Pa his skin don't tire. People that is also can't pa see pa see what way pa get time for do wash night. You see am na stick pa na old man. How you man put the man say me do wash night or wash man? Pa don't old. Pa be get for the she done for house the rest he drink he garri he chop he rice. The one so even air you blow for skin so you go fall for that. See pa na powder they put in that boy them for back 1 2 3. Then the number 4 man where they say na be get for join, where they suspect say na say the broke place, no can work. See part they tell you say na stick they give them, like a tea they fuse and follow the people then stick. And that stick if you do it to man. Touch where they give them for them to touch, they work. So now so they pay worship people them. So they try for talk. No be that kind of people don't get for put and say me they look up place. Mami tell we talk more yes more.
See what they happen for inside this market because of say as vex say inside this market people Gardena inside this market they not be serious. And they don't handle for Gardenas. Any day they can't come Gardenas for year we pay. So when they pay 1 year, we will not get money, we pay 1 month. So inside this last year, November, they took my neighbor for year. They never had you overstay this year. Now this year they don't farm. Today again, they don't have 12 store for year. 12 store. I don't know whether tomorrow they go kind of my own because I did for place for a house. They come say, "My come they don't drop store the person market." So my own opinion be say, I want to change all this Gardena. This is the gang Gardena. See the gang Gardena they put that for the market. That party do it. They say that they can't give them book. Say that they give them book before the some man enter the market for which man. But they show the person. Where they show the person. Now from that, say, now from that people then where they go start for. See, yes, make investigation for catch the other people for not.
Yes, so Mami then says been people then for market side, they talk and they did prayer to say organ tonen governor delegates, they go hear their cry. Waiting newspaper they talk today, make we begin with the Rambler newspaper we dey for outside. The Rambler newspaper they ask na BB question. Say after we Oga Buhari he send Ambazonia people them for inside country. Waiting a day now for up. Waiting a day up for inside this chapter. Now the question that way it is so the Rambler way they for outside, it take action. So for inside this chapter, they try for talk. Say palava for Norwest and Southwest. Edi Mekam, Binet, the Waka, even as we Kamamburu people them, they don't enter for plenty town them. Inside the same chapter, the Rambler way they for outside, it talk palava as we Cameroon, it don't take style so get war face for outside. For Sika this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Other to read the them where the Rambler way they outside a carry them. Guidance post 2 a day for outside to them. Guidance post it try for Tewi as for some people they don't knock stick for company where the lookout water for we it don't choppy 16 million francs CFA. So for inside the guidance post they tell we as we Bamenda peoples fear it be there for their mind confusion after where they hear say Amber people them they don't enter for town. Mami, papa them or man wrongo comot pikin for school. Inside the same chapter, they try for Tewi as well on 3 people them for inside one family. They take die for Yawende. But Pomponom be they say this on Ebola. Minister for sick people them quick he comot. He talks a big Pomponom no be na Ebola na normal sick. So for the guidance post, the Tewi as well on 10 big people them for Muslim people they don't catch them after they hide Boko Haram people them inside the church. Inside the guidance post, on a visit also read that to him where they say some woman he don't go ask for divorce for a massa after a massa run for house for seeker plenty debt where they owe him. The guidance post he get order to read them for outside on a few read them. Nouvelle Expression says he did for outside for this morning time. Nouvelle Expression he take we turn back for this palava where they cash. Ayuk Tabim, he try for Tewi. Say a lawyer for Ayuk Tabim, he don't talk some last belle for inside this palava. As way they take comot Ayuk Tabim them for inside that side so for Nigeria. So for inside the Nouvelle Expression they for outside, they try for Tewi. Inside this chapter say palava for Norwest, Southwest, Bamendam, small shaking in the even as way it don't last, it don't come down. So as well they take talk so plenty other story the day for corner we na for enter for inside the paper for sabi as we country it take worker make we enter now so for mutation we dey for outside mutation we dey for outside today con the people them e get one strong number mutation it try for Tewi palava operate. Yes, mutation they try for Tewi palava for operate. Why they take a strong number for palava for operate na for enter for mutation for sabi why they enter for inside binet for operate people them. Con the people them le messager s'accept dey for outside for this morning time. Messager we dey for outside waiting dey for on top le messager. Make all we try for enter as well they tell we say Nganang Patrice a palava e never so finish as wey dey so Congress people dem for America dem say they don put mop for inside this chapter. Inside no message una fit read other small tori dem wey e go make una for sabi as wey country Ediwaka. Last story too go enter for inside for this afternoon na Poku newspaper. We dey call am na Popoli, me I call am na Poku. Inside this chapter they talk palava as so they bring these people them inside Cameroon. Ayuk Tabe. So they ask na big question. Say now they go last talk. Now they go last talk. Now the big question that we Popoli dey ask as soon as see they don't draw we Kombi, we Kunkumam inside this chapter. So call the people them. Now the tori then that where we combi them for newspaper sites, they take comot this number 3 day for inside the week. We also talk Asham for Madame Nochu Juliet where it day for sickbed for side for Lord Baba Day. Now person where the follow tori house plenty. If you don't talk table for chop, we also talk say chop your chop fine, bon appetit. Ambassador go turn again, turn back for morning time if God leave am for 8 o'clock. Make una hold am tight.